Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable the new instant feature on your Instagram app. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and go to profile icon and tap on three line option and scroll down. Again scroll down. Now tap on content performance. Now hide instant in inbox, turn off and back, scroll up and select notifications option, scroll down. Now tap on instant option and instant, turn on instant and second emoji reaction, turn on. Okay, back to home screen, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please like, comment and share now.